the song.
Yeah.
So
he was a parody in the black humor type artist.
In some ways, it's not really a parody because it's the exact same thing that happens in all those other songs. But I mean, this one is intended to be a parody.
Okay.
I probably should have said that at the beginning. So I'm going to play one more song, and this is a song that I wrote with my friend Paul, and it's a song about, it's a slow song, and it's a song about leaving home, and hopefully you'll get what I'm saying in the lyrics. But my grandmother called wearing rosary beads and a tattered old tartan shawl. My eldest of brothers were leaving today, but she shows no emotion at all. And outside the door, she smiles at her ears, keeping my sister calm. With the one final embrace to my brother, she places her withered hand in his palm. And my mom said she couldn't be, she couldn't walk and said she couldn't see. She couldn't walk, said she couldn't talk, she couldn't talk to me. She'd been down, down upon her knees. She prayed to the God that she believes to help him on his way. He is leaving. He is gone, he is gone, he is gone, he is gone, he is going to England. My grandmother's hand holds the paper she's reading. They're closing the factory down, but she's going to stay, won't be driven away. She's lived 99 years in this town, and she said that she wouldn't leave. She prayed to the God that she believes she'd rather be buried and gone. There is nothing to make her go away. She's staying right here till her dying day. They can all go away, but she's staying. They are gone, they are gone, they are gone, they are gone, they are going to England, to Australia. All their moms said they couldn't be, they couldn't walk and said they couldn't see. They couldn't walk, said they couldn't talk. But no matter how many times they prayed, even all their gods couldn't make them stay. Their children are going away, they are leaving. They are gone, they are gone, they are gone, they are gone, they are going to England, to Australia, to Canada, My grandmother's eyes have seen 99 years. She's seen all this before. My grandmother's skin is all wrinkled and old, and she stood so many times outside the door. She saw her grandfather leave, and she saw her father leave. She saw her brothers leave, her lovers, their children, and now she sees me. I am gone, I am gone, I am gone, I am gone, I am going to England, to Australia, to Canada, to America. And my mom said she couldn't be, she couldn't walk, and said she couldn't see, she couldn't walk, said she couldn't talk. No matter how many times she prayed, even all her gods couldn't make me stay. Her daughter's gone away, she is leaving. I am gone, I am gone, I am gone, I am gone, I am going to England, to Australia, to Canada, to America. My grandmother's eyes have seen 99 years. Thank you.